Alright guys, welcome back to our video. What we done is we flushed this engine out. We put a good oil and good filter and stuff back in it because it was having the sounded like the lifters tapping in it. And as you can hear right now, sitting here at idle, the engine don't sound too bad. But when you put a little bit on it, start hearing that tapping right there. And we've let the engine get up to operating temperature and everything, and we still got that. So flushing it out, quieted it down a little bit, but it don't look like it done the trick. Probably what I'm going to do is run an oil pressure check on it, and probably do that tomorrow or something, and just make sure that the oil pump isn't losing pressure, or make sure the oil pump's not going bad, but or if the mains in this thing may be wearing out, it's losing pressure. So if our oil pressure looks good, we know definitely it's going to be these lifters. I'm not getting an idiot light on my oil pressure, so that's a good sign. The thing is, to do the lifters, we want to remove the entire intake on this thing, valve covers, and at least the top part of the timing chain or timing belt covers. And so that's the job I really don't want to do, since I've done a lot of work on this thing already. It's definitely got lifters tapping. So anyway, we tried the engine flush, it didn't work out for us, so we're going to probably start tomorrow, check the oil pressure, make sure it's got okay oil pressure. It's got a little oil burning off there, but more than likely we're going to wind up replacing the lifters and stuff in it. Appreciate you guys watching, and remember, if this helped you out, you know, a lot of times this engine flush will work. I've done it on my truck before, and it worked out and quieted down the lifters and everything and freed everything up. But this time it just wasn't going to work for us this time, so we got to do that lifter job. We'll make another video for you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and let me know what you think about this video. See y'all later. Bye.